doing well. What about you?
I'm also doing well.
Hello Varshita. Hello Vaishnavi.
Hello, Uncle. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
We are fine too, Uncle.
Okay, children. Vaishnavi, can you name some of poets?
Yes, the other day our teacher taught us a poem written by Sarojini Naidu.
Oh, great. What is the title of the poem?
The title of the poem is Bangle Sellers, isn't it?
Yes, it is. It is a very interesting poem.
Really? What is so interesting in the poem?
Oh, every line of the poem is wonderful, comparing the colors of the bangles to those of a rainbow, mist of the mountains, newborn leaves.
Hey, Varshita, stop there. We are not going to discuss the whole poem now.
Oh, I'm sorry. Uncle, please tell us something about Rabindranath Tagore.
Very good selection. Rabindranath Tagore is a very great Indian poet. He is also known as Gurudev.
Uncle, his greatest book is Gitanjali.
Yes, exactly. He won the Nobel Prize for Literature for this book in 1913.
What is the meaning of Gitanjali?
Gitanjali means Song of Offerings.
Song of love, loves the sunlight through the shadows. Love is giving, never waiting for return, or believing. Here's the silence in the storm. Gitanjali, sweet and softly. Love is gentle, love is kind. Song of love, love is faithful.
Uncle, we have a poem written by Rabindranath Tagore in our class book. I think it is taken from the book Gitanjali.
What is the title of the poem that you have in your textbook?
The title of the poem is Where the Mind is Without Fear.
Oh, it is a very famous poem. The Bengali version of this poem is Chitta Jata Bhoy Shunya. That means where the mind is without fear. Ucha Jata Shir. That means the head is held high. Gyan Jata Mukta. That means where knowledge is free.
It's very interesting to listen to the poem in Bengali.
Yes, exactly. Okay, children, now listen to the poem as I recite it. Will you?
Yes, Uncle.
Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake.
Here, Tagore says, my father. Who does he mean when he says, my father?
Very good question. Actually, this poem is Tagore's prayer to God. So here, my father refers to God.
I think Tagore prays to God to let our country awake.
Well said. For a better understanding of this poem, we can begin it like, let my country awake into that heaven of freedom. For Tagore, freedom is like heaven. That means he compares freedom to heaven itself.
Let my country awake into that heaven of freedom where the mind is without fear.
I see. Then every line of the poem, which begins with the word where, tells us about the poet's dream about his motherland.
Exactly. You see, anyone can keep his head only when he or she is fearless.
So you mean to say that fearlessness is the basic quality of the citizen of a free nation?
Yes, you are right, Varshita. It is also the sign of our self-respect.
What is the meaning of the line, where knowledge is free?
It means that everyone should get knowledge freely without force.
The next line of the poem is, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic wall. What does Tagore mean by the narrow domestic walls?
Narrow domestic walls, selfish motives like caste, creed, religion, broken up, divided, fragments, small pieces. Here, Tagore means certain selfish motives like caste, creed, religion, which divide the country or disturb the society.
In other words, it means that Tagore suggests that the people of the country or the world should be united.
You are right.
Uncle, please explain the line, where words come out from the depth of truth.
Yes, here the poet means that every Indian should always speak the truth and never speak a lie or falsehood.
Here, we can take the example of Gandhiji. He never spoke a lie in his life.
Yes, you must read the book, The Story of My Experiments with Truth. It is an autobiography by Mahatma Gandhi.
Yes, uncle. We shall certainly read it.
Okay, now let's see the next line. Please read the line.
Where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection.
Tireless, continuous, without rest. Striving, hard work. Stretches, extends. See, here Tagore means that the people of free India should work hard without rest for their own development and that of the nation.
That means our sincere hard work makes us successful.
Where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit. Varshita and Vaishnavi, the human mind is like a clear stream of water. If you take it into a desert, it becomes useless.
What a beautiful comparison. In the same way, if we take to bad habits, all our mental energy will be wasted.
Now, see the next line. It goes like this. Where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action.
Uncle, what does the expression by thee mean?
Who is Tagore addressing this prayer to?
To God, of course. So, by thee means by God.
Correct. God should always lead our minds so that we have noble thoughts and do the noble things.
Yes, uncle. We have many examples of great personalities in India and abroad who did great jobs for the benefit of the society.
Take for example Swami Vivekananda, C.V. Raman, Albert Einstein, Sister Nivedita, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and Dr. Abdul Kalam.
Very good. They are some of the greatest personalities of India.
We are really inspired by today's class, uncle. We'll talk about these ideas to our classmates also.
Also, we'll follow these ideas in our daily life.
Uncle, we have got a tune for this poem. Shall we sing it?
Yes, please.
Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake, let my country awake, let my country awake.
Now, let's remember the important ideas that Tagore expresses in his poem. Fearlessness, knowledge, unity, truthfulness, useful work, reason, and progress. That's all for the day. Bye bye, children.
Thank you, Uncle. Bye.